mention to more corruption going on. I was in court on Monday in the criminal court in regards to this person who attacked me back in November by the name of Paul Wright. He's an accused person. He's facing about 6 charges in the criminal court, including 4 of those charges are assault with a weapon, including a weapon with a knife, as well as a weapon with a frying pan. And the Crown Attorney in the case, by the name of Patrick Wood, have the audacity to suggest that the matter be mediated. What they do, I'm going to make another video in regards to private prosecution. What they do is they try to minimize the danger to the person, minimize the gravity of the situation as far as the charges under the Canadian Criminal Code. Someone facing 4 counts of assault with a weapon, and one of those weapons included a knife where you attempted to stab someone, is not a matter for mediation, Patrick Wood. Okay, it's not a matter for mediation. So what they do is they start they advise you to come a bit early to the court, because court starts at 10 a.m. for this individual. It's his first appearance, and normally he's there to pick up his disclosure, whatnot, which was served on him on Monday by me, because it's a private prosecution. So what I did was I provided the Crown with a copy on a USB of the video which I had played on at the pre-enquête hearing back in December, as well as pictures, as well as a medical record, and I provided those to the Crown Attorney, who now has to forward that to the accused. And so he wanted to discuss the matter off record. I'm like, I would not suggest to anyone to discuss any matter with any Crown Attorney. Once you see them acting corrupt off record, make sure that you're discussing it on record once the court starts, because they will say, oh, I didn't say that, you said that, I didn't say that. Don't discuss anything with the Crown Attorney off record. Make sure you're in court, make sure it's on record, because you may want to appeal to at a later date. So this is what they do in regards to private prosecution in Toronto, in Canada. They minimize the danger to the victim, who is me in this case, and try to minimize the gravity of the charges that the accused is facing, because I'm still facing danger from this person. He's still living in the building. I still have to share with this person, so he still poses a danger to me on a daily basis, and including his actions. And so I was offended that this prosecutor, this Crown Attorney, is suggesting that someone facing 6 counts of assault with a weapon, assault, including 4 of those included assault with a weapon under the Criminal Code, Section 266 and Section 267 of the Criminal Code of Canada, is even going to suggest that this matter is a case for mediation. Okay. There is no mediation involved when someone is facing all of these. These are indictable offense. Assault with a weapon is an indictable offense. Okay, it could be an hybrid offense. It could be summary. It could be indictable, depending on what the circumstances. In this case, it involved a knife. So this is an indictable offense. So why are you even suggesting that this is a matter for mediation? This is a mockery. So I wouldn't stand for that. I'm like, no, there's no mediation. Let's bring this matter up when the court starts at 10 o'clock. And the judge, suggests that the Crown be served with disclosure, so that the accused can have copies of the disclosure, whatnot. But it's all a major corruption, and I want to expose them, because people who initiate private prosecutions against persons who have committed crimes against them should be treated in the same manner as if the charges were laid by the police. They should have been laid by the police in this case. But I believe, and I'm entitled to my belief, that this person is also an agent of the police, and so that is why they did not charge him. So he's back in court on March 2nd, and the Crown Attorney is suggesting, oh, you have to come every time now. And he's only suggesting that to me because there are other private prosecution going on, charges, and he was not suggesting that to those other people. But I give him a break because this was the first time he had some of those disclosures from me. So, but in no way, this is the accused who's doing court, not me. Okay, he's the one who's facing these charges, not me. So I don't need to run around to the court every single time. I will be going back there on March 2nd to hear what the Crown's position is that he's going to present to the court. Now that he has the disclosure, including the video of the assault, medical report, pictures, and stuff like that. So I'm going back there on March 2nd when the accused is due in court to hear what his position is that he's going to present to the court. And then I'm going to hear what the judge response is going to be, okay? Because the judge is bound by law. And so, yeah, I will be going back March 2nd, but there's no way I'm going to be going there every single time because I'm not the accused. He's the accused. He's the one facing the charge. So I'm going to leave off here. I'm going to keep you updated as to what's happening as this case proceeds through the Canadian criminal courts involving this accused person by the name of Paul Wright. In the meantime, please watch my video of the illegal surveillance that they were carrying out against me yesterday as part of their harassment. Okay, and I hope that you get something from it. Please leave your comments below this video and support us targeted individual because we are facing a lot of persecution, some of us. Okay, thank you.